Hey boys and girls, welcome back to Mark II Golf Stories. I've recently just changed the radiator on my car. Today I'm going to be filling up with coolant and showing you how to bleed the system in case you've never done it before. Quite simple, let's do it. Let's get this bad boy topped up with some coolant. Got this coolant, I've got a link to that down in the description below. This coolant, is it? I'm putting in, yeah, okay. Let's get some coolant in her, get her warmed up and burp her. Now this can be a bit messy and take a bit of time, but what you want to do, in theory, is essentially pretty straightforward. You need to remove the cap from the expansion tank, run the engine until it gets nice and hot, and then when the engine reaches temperature, the thermostat will open, all the coolant will go into the radiator, and the coolant in the header tank, the level will drop. And at that point, you need to put more coolant back in it. And then you need to squeeze these two pipes to make sure any air gets out, keep it on level, keep topping it up, and then theoretically, you should be done. So let's get to it. Well, it's getting warm, I can see some steam coming out of it. That should open up once the thermostat hits about 90 degrees, I think. 98. Can't remember what I've got. It's be getting close now. So a lot of air come out then, but the bottom pipe's still cold. Top ones are getting nice and hot. Oh dear. Come on, open up thermostat. So when that thermostat opens up, that should start dropping. Is that opening up now? Nope. Only about halfway, so it's not quite ready yet. That's nice and hot. We're going to keep squeezing these pipes. That will help any air come out. We just get rid of the air out of the system by doing this. If you didn't know, if you've not seen this before. Oh my god. Bottom pipe's still stone cold. There we go, it's dropping. Keep squeezing these pipes. Oh, it's gone down again, quite a lot. Keep doing this till the bottom of the pipe's nice and hot. So there we go, that's the coolant bled. Wasn't too bad. Got the black cap back on it as the blue one doesn't seem to fit on this header tank. Not really sure why that is. If you've got any ideas or theories, let me know down below. If you found this video useful, you know the score. Give us a like, click on subscribe, and you can buy me a beer if you want to as well. Hope you've enjoyed the first episode of the Dubs Not Dubbers podcast, which you can find the link to in the description below, over on the even not Mark II Golf Story YouTube page or the Dubs and Dubbers page, or on Spotify and Apple Podcasts. Let us know what you think of it. Next episode is going to be a good one. Got Andy from VW Heritage and my dad's car podcast. Ooh, let's make some noises. But yeah, anyway, that's the end of this video. Stick around, because I've definitely got a lot more to do with this. Once again, thank you for your support. See you next episode soon. Bye bye.